Frequent flyer flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyers back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer. Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend the warmest welcome. So I'm out here with this Park 10 F22S, y'all. And Park 10, I believe, is a company that rebranded or at least has WL Toys or XK make their planes. And so this plane right here is considered the follow-up of the XK A180. This one was recommended from a friend of mine that is subscribed to the channel, and I informed him that I already had this thing. I already had experience with it. My wingman had this thing first. My one-wheeled wingman. I got a little scratch right here on the canopy. I don't like that. Probably due to this guy, Drone Dreesy, banging it out. But anyhow, I wanted to get some flights in on video of this thing before Drone Dreesy destroys it. He's learning how to fly a 4-channel with this thing. This thing glides very well. It's very light, just like the XK A180. Reminds me of it a lot. Just about the same size, but this thing flies a lot better, y'all. It's 4-channel now, so you do have added rudder or yaw, so it just flies a whole lot better having that rudder and yaw input. And also, for some reason, the XK A180, that brushless thing, even though it's brushless, it's not better than this, by the way. And the brushless plane, the A180, to me, it seems like when I'm gunning on the throttle, it doesn't want to turn for me. And so I really dislike the flight characteristics of that plane. Aside from the way it glides beautifully, but this thing glides really nice as well, just about as well, if not better, than the XK A180. You can't fly it with a multi-protocol transmitter as far as I know. I will check and see if I can find anything to make this thing fly any protocol, but so far no luck. So far no good. This thing is a really great deal at AliExpress, y'all. Found this thing at AliExpress for 30 bucks. So you can ride off in the sunset with this thing for a little over 30 bucks, y'all. And I have some codes in description to get extra savings on this thing. Aside from the 30 bucks cheap price already, that's the cheapest I've found it anywhere on AliExpress. I really think they have the best deals on these little drones and planes and all. And so let's take this thing for a spin, y'all. Yep. This thing has an on and off switch. The XK A180 did not have an on and off switch. So let's take off. Well, oh, it has a switch right here, y'all. This switch, that's low rates. 3 beeps is high rates. Are we gonna take off in high rates? This battery in here is a little heavier than the stock battery. I forgot that. I put a slightly larger battery in here, but it's still flying.
Show them how it flies.
Sorry about the annoying beeping we're getting. A little harder to do the loops with this heavier battery in here.
Show them how far it can glide.
Oh yeah, this thing can glide pretty far. Drone Dreesy saying, show you guys how far it can glide on dead stick. We're gonna turn around and just glide it in. No throttle, y'all. 0 throttle. Look like I'm heading for the gate. Let's try it again, coming from this direction. Okay, dead stick. Drone Dreesy's gonna toss it. try touch and go, y'all. Yeah, I'm gonna take this heavier battery out, put a lighter battery in this thing so we can see how it really goes. Well, let's do a roll. Getting a little windy. This thing looks so cool in the air, y'all. Go around the pole here. Try to bring it back in for a soft landing. Then we're gonna get another battery out. The battery that goes with this thing.
And then I'll fly it.
Okay. All right, y'all, we got the lighter battery in there now. We're gonna go in high rates. Check it out. Try dead stick gliding. This thing is awesome, y'all. Let's do some low flying. Try to do a roll real close, y'all. Real down low. Whoa, had to pull up. This thing is an awesome flyer, y'all. I'm gonna bring it in for a dead stick landing. Oop, I gave it a little bit of throttle there. I cheated, y'all. Let's go back in the air and try it again. Okay, there we go. Dead stick landing. Make sure to download the AliExpress app and input the code right here that I got for you guys to get an extra $2 off. This thing is $30, y'all. Real cheap on AliExpress. I'll have the link in the description to AliExpress's website and a bunch of codes down there so y'all can get a lot of savings on whatever you're trying to get off AliExpress. The Park 10 flyer, y'all. F22S. Thanks for watching.